baked in a different high zone, no escape. It's mysterious, your style so ridiculous. I make the mic bleed like the bass had a period. I'm a calm nigga, so don't take it serious. Get your facts straight, hate shit when it's curious. Rap sound dope, flow tighter than the clitoris. Fly plastic door while I'm letting off a lot of shit. I'm faster than the light, took a long flight, but I never backed down from a fight. I cut the ropes to a nigga with a kite, cause it's right. I do a bomb, but no more onto a pipe.
Stuck in the pearl where the blacks and whites called the world living, so I gotta accept it, right? Think wise, hold tight. A gauge for that gunfight, walking with a shield like a young knight, the dawn rising. Gold so compare me to a horizon, plus I'm shining while defining the truth with a pair of eyes. Can't help to laugh when someone hand me a glass full of lies.